The Oxford and Cambridge Dictionary define the word phobia as an extreme fear or dislike of a particular thing or situation, especially one that is not reasonable. So I'm here at the seaside to find out what phobias the people of Brighton have.
My main phobia is probably a fear of heights.
Okay.
My phobia is slugs. I know that slugs are really good for the garden, and I don't kill anything and I garden organically, but I cannot pick up a slug, and I run about screaming like a silly girl if I go outside and they're coming up the garden steps. And I just have this thing that says if I turn my back, they're going to become suddenly huge, slimy, monster great things that somehow get in the house and consume me.
Oh wow!
Yeah, that's my thing about slugs.
I have a phobia for a claustrophobia, really, for having nail varnish on my fingernails. I can't bear it.
You say claustrophobia?
It's like it feels like claustrophobia when I have nail varnish on my fingernails.
Wow, okay, I have lots of questions.
Okay, my phobia is of what I've taken to calling tooth juice. So it's the spit, when people clean their teeth, the spit that they spit out into the sink in the bathroom that's kind of toothpastey spit. Really hate that stuff.